Hello everyone. Today I'm going to show you how to get more traffic on TikTok. That's right, how to get more traffic on TikTok. The training I'm going to show you is absolutely amazing because it's not only going to help you to get more traffic on TikTok, it's also going to help you to get more views on your videos. And by getting more views and more traffic to your videos, what this is going to help you to do is generate more leads. And also, if you are an affiliate marketer, make more sales. And what we're going to be using today is a free Google Chrome extension. It's going to blow your mind. Also, this training is great for anyone, whether you're experienced or whether you're a newbie, whether you're someone that's just about to start their TikTok account and you want to, like, in a matter of overnight, boost your views and your traffic. This is going to help you a lot. All right, let's begin. So the first thing you're going to do is you're going to start by going to Google. You're going to go to Google. And you're going to type out, this is what this is. This is a Google Chrome extension. This Google Chrome extension is going to help you to get more views on TikTok, get more traffic on TikTok. All right. So the name of this Google Chrome extension, let me see, I forgot the name. Okay, sort for TikTok. That's right. So we're going to type out sort for TikTok. Look, I already got it here. Okay. So you're going to type out sort for TikTok, and then you're going to click on it, and it's going to take you to the Chrome web store. I already have it installed on my computer, so all you do is install it on your computer. After you do that, the next step is you're going to go here. You're going to go to TikTok. You're going to go to TikTok on your computer, and what you're going to do then is you're going to type out a niche. So what you're going to do is you're going to look at videos that have the highest views, right? They have the highest views in your niche. So for example, if you are in the dog niche, right, and you want to get more views on your dog niche, right, and your dog account on TikTok, you want to model accounts, videos that have like not only hundreds and thousands of views, but maybe even millions of views. You want to replicate that. You want to copy them, and you want to add your own twist to it. So for example, I'm going to type out right here, let's see, I'm going to type out right here keto. Okay, keto is pretty popular, so I'm going to type out keto. All right, so look here, this girl here, Keto Queen, she's got 663,000 followers. Then we have Keto Girl, she's got 95,000 followers. And then we got this one over here, Keto Coach Magda, she's got 330,000 followers. So what we want to do is we want to model these people that have a lot of followers, because the reason they have a lot of followers because their videos must be amazing. They have to be amazing in order to get people to follow them. So let's go here. For example, let's go with the Keto Girl. She's got 95,000 followers. So I'm going to click on her account, Keto Girl. And what we're going to do after we click on her account is we're going to look here. Now look here. She's got first video 1,322 views. Next video 4,380 views. Next video 8,280. Okay, so I may or I may not want to model the video. Now this video here has 34,700 views. I want to model a video like that has a lot of views, right? I can keep scrolling down. Let's see. Look at this one, 194,000 views. So that's another video I want to model. But I want to model her best video. In order to model it, right, in order to see which video she's gotten the most views, because she's got a lot of followers, she's got almost 100,000 followers, is I'm gonna go here, right? Remember this, we typed out sort for TikTok and Google, we've installed it. Now we're gonna go to TikTok, and we're gonna look in our niche for people that have the most followers. And then after that, we're gonna look at what we're gonna do is we're gonna use this Google Chrome extension for TikTok, and all you do is click on it. It's an S, and it says sort for TikTok. That's all you got to do, right? You're gonna hit start, and what this is gonna do is it's gonna start sorting through all of this person's accounts, right, through her videos to see which ones to rank them, which from videos that have the most views to videos that have the least amount of views. And look at this, check this out. Wow, first view, right? This is the Keto Girl, right? First view, 1.1 million views, right? So if I'm in the keto niche and I want to get a lot of views, all I got to do is come to an account, a TikTok account like hers in my niche, and then use this extension here. That's all you got to do. Look at her second video, 464,000 views. Look at her third video, 270,000 views. So I want to get a lot of views, and by modeling these, right, we're going to click on these videos, we're going to watch her videos, and then we're going to model them. We're going to do something similar, but we're going to add our own twist. And now you may not get 1.1 million views, but what if you get 100,000 or 200,000 or even 500,000 views? So this is an excellent way for anyone, especially newbies, especially beginners who are just setting up their TikTok account. This is one of the best, if not the #1 best way to get to skyrocket your views in TikTok overnight, right? And the way I learned this was I just finished completing this mastermind training, and this information was revealed to me. It was like a big secret, and I was like just blown away. Okay, I'm gonna give you another example. So this was keto, right? This was keto. So let's say you're in the dog niche, right? The dog niche. There's a lot of dog lovers out there. So I'm gonna type out dog. Okay, I'm not in the dog niche, so let's see what comes up. All right, so look at this one. Dog, 1.6 million followers. Wow. So this person has a lot of followers because they must be doing something amazing, right? Some amazing video. Look at this one. 151,000. Cutie dog, right? Followers. But she has no bow yet. Look at this one. 6.7 million followers. This guy's dog face. I don't know. 420 dog face, right? Look at this one. Dog, cat, right? So what you want to do is you want to click on these, right? Let's go here, for example. So we're gonna go here. Let's see. I don't know. Let's go here. This one has 1.6 million followers. So I'm gonna click here again, and as I mentioned before, look at this person's. She's in the dog niche. Look at her. Her first video has 69,000 views. Second video 144,000, and so forth. 324,000 is the next one, and so forth. Right? But I want to see which are her most viewed videos, and then I want to copy them. I want to replicate. I want to model them. Right? So once again, I'm going to go here. I'm going to click here, sort for TikTok, and I'm going to hit start. And this amazing Google Chrome extension is going to start working its magic. It's going to sort out the videos by the highest views. Look at this one. So this is, again, dog, right? This dog account with 1.6 million followers. Her first video, or this person's video got their highest view video is 44.7 million views. So you can model that kind of video. Click on it, see what they did, and then just make a video, and boom, you're gonna skyrocket your views overnight. Look at the next one. 9.5 million views. Look at this one. 7.7 million views. Look at this one. 7.5 million views. 7.4, 6.2. It goes on. 3.8 million, 3.6. So as you can see, these are a lot of views. So what you can do is you can look at this person's, or any account that, depending on your niche. Oh man, that was so disgusting. You can look at you can look up people in your account. You can look up niches, right? Look up niches, right? Whatever niche you're in, whether it's keto or the dog niche, and then use this amazing Google Chrome extension called Sort for TikTok. I want to do one more. So I'm going to do one. Let's see, spirituality, right? There's a lot of people that are into spirituality. All right, let's check this out. Oh, all right. So spirituality. Let's see. I'm not in the spiritual niche. Wow. Okay. Look at this person. Almost 300,000 followers. The first person, right? Look at this one. Okay. Intuitive healer. Over 100,000 followers, right? Let's see, any more? There's this one. She's got 42,000, but I'd rather start with the best. Start with the ones that have the most followers. So right here, 111 Moonchild has almost 300,000 views or followers. So I'm gonna click on her account. I'm gonna look here, and I want to see what kind of videos is she making, right? How is she getting all these followers? How is she getting almost 300,000 followers, right? I want to get a lot of followers in my niche if I'm in the spirituality niche. So what I'm gonna do once again is look at her first video right here, 385 views. That's nothing. Second video, 16,000. Next video, 2,400. So instead of sorting this way, there's a faster way to get access to her videos that have the most views in order for you to copy and also skyrocket, boost, increase your TikTok video views literally overnight. And here, I'm gonna hit it again. I'm gonna put this little Google Chrome extension to work. Sort for TikTok. Start. Boom. And now it's working its magic. It's working its magic. It's sorting out the videos, right? From videos that have the most views to the videos that have the least amount of views. And here you go. Let's see. Wow. First video right here. 5.2 million views. Look at the next video. 2.6 million views. Third video. 2.3 million views. Next video. 1.6 million views. So, for example, if I want to replicate this video, all I do is click on it and then just model it. Look at what she's doing and kind of just model it and add my own little twist to it. And as I mentioned before, this is an absolutely free Google Chrome extension. And in order to get it, all you got to do is you got to go, type out Google, go to Google, type out sort for TikTok, right? Hit enter, right there you go. And then go to the Chrome Web Store. I already have install it. And after that, you're gonna go to TikTok and then look in your niche. I don't know, whatever niche you are. Food. You're in the food niche, right? Type out food and look at the accounts that have the most followers. Look at this guy, Food Time Kelly. He's got 3.3 million followers. So just click on him, right? Look at his videos, right? He's got a lot of followers, right? And he's even got his little WhatsApp link here. And pizza, look at this. But I want to model his best video. Look at this, 4.4, right? Let's make it a shortcut. Boom, I'm going to start it to work. I'm going to get this Google Chrome extension working fast. Look at this, 48.9 million views. That's incredible. Okay, that's all you got to do. And this is excellent for anyone that's experienced on TikTok, or even for an absolute beginner. If you're a beginner, if you're a newbie, actually this can do it. Using this strategy can skyrocket your views on TikTok overnight. So this is an excellent way for you to learn and to how to get more traffic on TikTok. I mean, this is pretty much the #1 best way right now today to get insanely amounts of traffic, of views to your TikTok account. So take action, start today. If you like this amazing video, hit subscribe. I'm gonna be posting more amazing videos. And also leave a comment down below. Tell me if you like this, tell me if you didn't like it, tell me if it's helping you. I mean, because this strategy like as I mentioned before, it can help you to get not only more views, it can help you to get more people to click on your link. It can also help you to get more people to buy your products. I don't know what this is, WhatsApp, but so you can make more money. All right, so leave a comment down below, subscribe, and I will see you guys next time. Bye-bye.